been very good this year.
Listen.
Belle told me that she has been checking in on you, and she is quite impressed.
I'll call you back. Okay, well, I'll just call you back.
Claus and I are so very proud of you.
Listen.
Keep listening and follow
Listen.
directions. Oh, and remember to be nice to each other.
Listen, are you listening?
No.
This'll-
Here at the North Pole, we've all been hard to work getting ready for the big day. The toy shop is full of toys ready to be piled into the sleigh. And the reindeer are racing to begin their magical flight. I've just finished checking my list, and I see you've asked for some wonderful new things. I believe you asked for a puppy, a scooter, shotguns, an art set, and the list goes on. I wasn't quite sure if one of your presents would fit into the sleigh. Belle has told me that you have been so good. So I decided to leave one of your presents with your name. You must continue to be on your best behavior and be sweet to each other. I am still watching you. See you in a few days. Merry Christmas, Santa.
What?
So Santa left a box.
Oh my
Look,
God.
Charlie.
Wait, let Charlie see too.
Wait a minute.
Careful, careful, put it down.
It'll break. It'll break.
It'll break. It's glass.
It's moving. It's
What?
moving.
What was it?
It's moving. The puppy. The puppy. The puppy.
Open it up.
What is it?
A puppy.
What is it? What does Santa give you? What is it? Are you happy? Get down, look. Look at him. Get him out. He won't bite you. Get him.
I'll pick him up.
Say hey. His name's Kirby.
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 Can we keep him?
What do you think? Yes. Santa brought y'all a good present, huh?
But I don't want him to get down.
No, you can let him get down.
Look, he can't get
Look, let Charlie hold him. Charlie, get him. Here, here. Careful. Sit down. Sit. Don't squeeze him. He's going to pee. Look, let me see. What do you think?
Mommy's gotta pee.
Okay. Let me see his face.
Outside.
Okay.
I'm gonna get outside.
Let Daddy go outside with you.
I'll go. Mommy!
Come here.
What do you Hey, come here. What do you think? Santa brought that early.
Yeah.
And his name's Kirby.
Yeah. Okay, what is moving?
All right.